How to fix Facebook in Chrome problem on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings of your phone. Then you will go to apps, and on apps scroll down and search for Facebook. When you found it, just open it like this and go to storage. And on storage guys, go to clear data, then click OK, and that's it, your problem will solve it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos. So bye.